another question which I normally get is like, how do I deal with difficult conversations?
Yeah.
And my normal response now is that the conversation is difficult not because there is something difficult about the conversation,
Yeah.
but because you do not have a particular skill.
Okay.
And once you build that skill, the same conversation becomes easy,
Interesting.
right? So it's not about the conversation, it's about who the person is. Because the same conversation might look difficult to somebody and
Yeah.
easy to somebody. And if we look back in our lives, there might be conversations which at one point we felt were difficult and now it comes naturally to us, right? So it's not about the conversation when we say a conversation is difficult.
Yeah.
It's only about a skill which we are missing. And then if we identify it as a function of ourselves rather than the conversation, then we have something in our control.
Yeah.
If I identify that I cannot deal with emotions, then that's a skill I can learn. If I identify that I cannot be assertive, then that is a skill I can learn. But if I say the conversation is difficult, there is very less that I can do.
Exactly. That's out of your control. So
Yes.
then if it's out of your control, how do you improve that? Oh, it's just a difficult conversation. Then you lose it. I think you lose control in that way.